hope you're having a great day, noon, night, whatever time you're watching this. So guys, if you saw from the title, today we are going to do a college lookbook video. There are about 7 to 8 looks, some traditional, some Indo-Western and some Western looks as well. So yeah, without making this intro any longer, let's get into the video. So, for all of these looks is pretty basic. I have gone with some BB cream and some concealer to hide my pimples and stuff, and I did my brows and I applied a very thin liner with some mascara and I added blush and a long lasting matte lipstick to stay all through the day. So the first look is a really nice cotton pink dress that I got from Anne, and I've paired it with a really cool denim shirt which has all of these really cool patches in it, and with a pair of white sneakers. The next look is a really soft black t-shirt dress from Oni, and I've paired it with this white denim jacket which has this really cool embroidery all over it with a pair of white shoes. Now the third look, these blue cotton shorts, and I've paired it with a white top which has this really cool detailing on the shoulder, and I've paired it with a pair of white shoes. Now the fourth look is a really cool black crop top which has cats all over it, and I've paired it with a wraparound denim skirt and with a pair of gold. Now the fifth look is a simple plain black kurta, and I've got a twist in it by wearing it with a pair of horizontal black and white stripes, and I've paired some golden shoes on. Now the next look is a short tunic kurta which has this really pretty flowers all over it, and I wear it with denim, which is really cool. The next look is an Indo-Western look. I have paired a pair of high-waisted jeans with a plain black crop top and with this cool hood which is a block print jacket which has this little detailing, and with a pair of blue bag to match with. The last look is an easy breezy white cotton kurta with white pajamas, and I've paired with a beautiful tie-dye pom-pom red color dupatta with some silver hooks and some silver chuckles. So with that, we're at the end of the video. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, you know the drill, hit the like button and the subscribe button, and comment down below which is one of your favorite looks, and if you want to see more videos like that, etc, etc, etc. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope to see you guys next time real soon. Thank you. Bye.